because you guys are all clear. All clear means you guys are up and out of here. Enjoy your Twisted tour. Goodbye. Bye.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy G-Force Chris, and I'm here on Twisted Timbers, the RMC Hybrid Coaster right here at King's Dominion. We're going up to 110 foot tall. We're going to hit a 109 foot drop. The 109-foot barrel drop, here it comes. Woohoo! Bunny hill, over bank. Bunny hill, and then the camelback. Ejector. Woohoo! Ejector. Woohoo! Woo! Small bunny hill into a cutback. Another side with airtime hill into the one-foot trick. Trap, double up. Woo! Under the station. Woo! Airtime hill. And into the beautiful 0-0. A few more bank turns. Another airtime hill. One more. And that's the end of the ride, baby. What a ride. Look at that transition right there. Like, that is straight 2-3 seconds of airtime. And that was Twisted Timbers at King's Dominion, the RMC Hybrid. The rain has stopped. And it feels pretty good. Now on to another ride.